Hi friends, in this video I will show you many ways that you can use to share your own YouTube channel or someone other's YouTube channel. In this video you will learn how to share or copy any YouTube channel's link using YouTube app or from the browser using your mobile phone. The process is same for both Android or iPhones. So I request you to watch this video till the end to learn all the different ways to share YouTube channel's link, because knowing various ways to do it may prove to be useful for you someday. So first I will tell you how to share YouTube channel's link using YouTube app. So for this, first open YouTube app. In YouTube app, you can do it using two ways. First is to type the name of the channel that you want to share. My channel's name is Engineering Made Easy and I want to share it. So I have typed the Engineering Made Easy. Okay. And here is my channel Engineering Made Easy. And if I want to share it, here you can see three dots. Click on these three dots and you will get the option of share. And on clicking on share, you will see you can share it on WhatsApp, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere, or you can simply copy the link and paste that link wherever you want to share it. So this was the first way. In the same way, you can also click on this channel, and then in the top right corner at this place, you will again see three dots. You can also use this place to share any YouTube channel's link. You can use it. So this was how to share my YouTube channel. You can use this method to share anyone's channel's link by just typing the name of that channel. The second method, if you want to share your YouTube channel, is click on this profile icon in the top right corner. Okay, and from this is my channel. But here remember one thing, you should be logged in by the channel that you want to share. So here I am already logged in with my channel that I want to share. On this, in my channel, I will get these three dots. How to do it using browser? So it's also again simple. Open the browser. Here I am opening the Chrome browser. Do the same thing again. In the search option, you can type the name of the channel that you want to share, whether it's your channel or someone other's channel. So let's type my channel's name, Engineering Made Easy. But here the process is a little bit different. If you are using browser, here you will not see three dots to share this. Okay, so all you need to do is just on long pressing these, you will see these options. These options are copy link address. At the bottom, you will also see the option of share link. So you can use any of these. Another way is to click on this. Here you can simply copy the URL, okay, from here, and link has been copied. You can paste this link wherever you want to share. Now another way to share your channel's link is by clicking on this profile icon at the top right corner and your channel. Okay, here is your channel. Click on this and you will enter into your channel. Now you can again copy this channel's link from here and paste it wherever you want. So friends, these were different ways that you can use to share your channel link or someone other's channel link easily. So I hope you liked all the different ways to share channels link. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So guys, for more such videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel Engineering Made Easy. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.